Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the app you'll pin, open Chrome or the Google app. Once done, navigate to the page or app screen you want on home. This is the moment you act. Make sure your phone is unlocked and you have an empty spot on the home screen. You do this because Android and iOS require a target to create a shortcut. Without selecting the page or app first, the system won't offer the Add to Home option. Now you perform the exact steps to create the shortcut. In Chrome, tap the three-dot menu and choose Add to Home screen, name the shortcut and tap Add. If you're in the Google app, open the page, tap Share, then Add to Home, confirm placement. On iPhone Safari, use Share, then Add to Home screen and hit Add. These different routes exist because browsers and apps expose the same feature in different UI locations. Follow the path for your app. Finish by placing and checking the shortcut on your home screen. When the icon appears, long press it and drag it to your preferred spot or into a folder. Make sure the label is clear so you can find it fast. Test by tapping the icon to confirm it opens the intended Google page or app. If the shortcut doesn't appear, clear the browser cache, try again, or restart the phone. That usually resolves permission or caching glitches quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.